Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start the plumbing design, and in this plumbing design we will learn earlier we have learned different topics related to plumbing design. So water supply system, water supply pipe sizing, water heater sizing and selection, water demand calculation, transfer pump sizing and selection, tank sizing and selection. And, today we are going to learn the drainage system design. Okay, so in this drainage system design, let me open the notes. Okay, uh, so here you can see the drainage system designing. So this system designing is most economical system design. So my YouTube channel is Success Engineering Official. So in this channel you can learn different types of MEP design, means HVAC design, plumbing design, firefighting, etc. Also you can learn the about AutoCAD tutorials. So please go through my channel and subscribe my channel so that you can, whenever I upload any video, you will directly get the notification of that video. So you can see here, this is the notes for the drainage system designing. So in this designing, there are three types of drainage system. First one is single stack system, and second one is one pipe system, and then third one is two pipe system. So let us learn one by one about each system. So first one is single stack system, which is most economical system. So in this system, you can see this is figure number one, single stack system, which has been taken from National Building Codes. If you want to learn about more system, you can, let me open this National Building Codes of India. So here you can see this is the National Building Codes of India. Okay, National Building Code of India 2016 Volume 2. So this single stack system, in this system, both all the appliances, that means the waste appliances, which is called WC, urinal, and the soil appliances, which is WC and urinals. Waste appliances is nothing but the wash basin, bathtub, floor trap, etc. mixers, shower. So all these floor waste and soil appliances are connected through a single pipe, which is called single stack system. And in this system there is no venting. Okay, so this is all appliances are connected here, see, through one single pipe, single common soil and a stack, soil and waste stack. This pipe is common for the soil as well as waste appliances. That's why this is called single stack system. So if you want to learn more about this system, let me open this National Building Code, and here you can go to the plumbing services, and in this services let me go to the drainage system. Let me go to the drainage system, so I will show you different types here. Okay, so here you can see this is the single stack system, and this is taken from National Building Codes of India. So if you want to learn about more about this system, here you can check the vent, the stack, vent pipe, waste, vertical pipe, water closet, basic, etc. So all these points are given here in this National Building Codes. Okay, so you can learn, you can read. See the plumbing system. The plumbing system, there are different system. Okay, so this is very big chapter, so you can learn. If you can read, you can learn different points. Okay, anyhow, let me open the notes here. This is single stack system, which is most economical system. Second one is one pipe system, which in this one pipe system there are two systems. First one is partially ventilated system and second one is fully ventilated system. So in the partially ventilated system, you can see the waste appliances is connected to a one stack, and swell appliances are connected with the same stack also, and there is partial one common one vent pipe connected partially through this stack. That's why this is called partial ventilated system. Okay, this system is a single stack similar to the single stack system. In this system, vent pipe is required only for the soil appliances, and this system is suitable for high-rise buildings. Next one is one pipe system, fully ventilated. So one pipe system fully ventilated. Here you can see the waste and soil appliances all are connected through this partial ventilated vent pipe. This is the one vent pipe connected to this stack, and through this vent pipe the waste appliances, here this is the vent pipe, and this is the vent pipe for the soil appliances. This is vent pipe for waste appliances. These are connected through this vent stack. That's why this is called fully ventilated system. This system is also same as single stack system. In this system, both soil and waste appliances are connected to be ventilated, and this is also suitable for high-rise buildings. So in the next topic, we will see the two pipe system. So please be with me and keep watching my full video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.